And today we are going to open up a snack crate. So I already got the tape cut. Today we are eating from Poland. So a fun fact about Poland. The name Poland originates from the tribe Polini, which means people living in fields. So I'm not going to read everything on here, and today we are just going to get into the snacks. So today we have these snackies.
Snacky Zim. Oh my god.
Weird.
Okay, what is it?
Basically,
Taxi?
I think right here it's basically cheese and onion chips.
I'm gonna try to read while.
So fresh fruity.
Okay. Here, give me.
I think this is like a gummy.
Open and test. See which one you want to try first.
I'll do the chips and. So what is this?
What is that?
Like a real weird gummy.
Fresh and fruity.
Oh, it's like covered in sugar.
Wewel. Wowel. Wowel. Wowel.
Hold on.
It's like
It had the name of the snacks in
pineapple, and orange, lime, and lemon.
So this, you can't see it, but I'm going to try it.
I want to try it.
It's weird. I think this is the same one, but just different.
This tastes like those slices. You know those orange slices, the candies? The ones that are like gummies? Grandma gets them?
Yeah.
Like the spice drops. You know the spice drops? This is what that tastes like. It's really sugary. It's good, Poland, but
Yep.
it's sugary.
The next thing we have is Mielgo-Dina. It's a heart, but it looks like it has chocolate in it. I don't know. Oh, God.
What is it?
Well, that just popped out. So I think it has like sugar on the bottom.
Metigo.
Oh, it's like a bread. It's like a sweet bread. It's actually good.
Smells like a ginger,
It's
like a ginger man cookie.
Yeah. So that's the inside. It looks weird, but it's actually pretty good.
It's good.
It's not the worst.
That's good. That's like
We
a
have some
gingerbread man cookie.
bacon
But bread.
pretzels, bacon side, Basidiki something. I have no idea. Look at these names.
Bizkadizki.
It has bacon, so I'm guessing it's like bacon flavored.
Bizkadizki pretzels.
Got some tea right here.
I'm like, that wasn't. Oh, Piernick Sears. Piernick Sears. That's what this was. Piernick Sears.
Oh, and these.
Oh, it is. It's Polish gingerbread treat.
So, these actually do taste like bacon. They are bacon. They look like regular pretzels, but they actually are bacon. It literally.
That's a strong.
Oh my god. I just dropped that. Also, where's that cookie? Right there.
Huh. That was strong.
I never thought bacon pretzels would be so good. So we have 2 of the fruity things. 3 different flavors.
Oh yeah. What kind are those? Check. These chewy, fruity flavored gummies are filled with a sweet fruit jelly for a burst of fruity goodness in every bite.
It actually doesn't say. Well, that is true though. It actually does not say what flavor it is, but on there it doesn't too. So we'll just move on. We're almost at the end. Prince Polo.
Prince Polo.
Classic. I think I've actually heard of this on YouTube.
Crunchy wafers sandwiched together with chocolate cream and then coated in chocolate.
I think
Oh,
I've heard.
milk chocolate.
I actually think I've heard of this on some YouTube videos and stuff before. So,
Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, that looks good.
it does. It looks
Who
like
doesn't
it's.
love chocolate?
It looks like it's molded on the inside, but it's actually not. It does look like it's molded
You
though.
want to taste some of these? Taste that bacon one. Huh?
Start recording.
Yeah.
My hands are all sticky now.
I don't really like that. I don't really like that.
You have not guessed. It's Prince Polo chocolate wafer.
I would like to try that. Crocowie. I don't really like that one. Oh, you didn't try the chips yet?
Saving the best for last.
Look at the bacon pretzel.
We don't know where to put the stuff.
Wow. You like bacon?
Last, but certainly not least, we have the chips. Last. The savory potato snacks are made with a surprisingly delicious combination and cheese and onion flavor.
You're right.
It does have an onion and cheese right here, so
Oh,
I
I
can tell.
didn't even look at the picture.
Huh. They're like soft, but
They're like stale.
it just melts in your mouth though. It's like a foam almost,
It's like styrofoam.
but it's really good.
I feel like I'm eating styrofoam.
It's actually pretty good though. But this isn't the last thing we have.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Here's how it looks. It doesn't look bad, but it looks weird though.
Even if I wanted to know the back of the ingredients, I would not be able to read them, you guys.
Why?
Oh yeah, they do. Raw potato, 44%. Rice flour, salt, honey.
So these are actually not as bad. They look weird, but they're not as
They're
bad.
kind of like those shrimp chips.
Yeah. Last, but definitely it is the last. We have a soda.
Oranzada.
Originally Smack.
No, that's not even it. Originality. Smack. Oranzada.
This is
Oranzada
it.
originally Smack.
This is it. Right here. It looks weird. It looks like a carnival drink. But we haven't tried it yet, so we don't know if it's gonna be good or bad.
I think it said it was an orange flavor. Bubbly orange flavored soda for all. Oh, I don't need to drink soda anymore, but you know what? I'll still taste it. I haven't had a soda in
This
guys.
actually has. You probably know. This looks weird. It's supposedly orange flavored,
I
but
like the can.
this obviously you can't smell it. It actually smells pretty good, but just this part right here got me because this is actually way different. This is from Poland, and cans are different there, so it looks.
It looks like a Willy Wonka cup.
It does. It looks
Or
like a
can.
carnival. So yeah. So. It actually does taste like a. Oh,
Oranzada. Helina's Oranzada originally Smack.
it doesn't taste that bad. It actually tastes like orange. It tastes like a really carbonated orange.
It's not. It's a light carbonation on it.
No, it's actually not that bad to me. I
I
still have it.
Don't know what to compare that to. I wouldn't even compare it to. I mean, it doesn't remind me of a soda. That's Poland soda, but it doesn't remind me of a soda.
It is from Poland, so they countries have different stuff.
So that's a wrap.
Yeah. So obviously we're not gonna let all this stuff go to waste. We're obviously gonna have some other people here try it, see how they like it. But I think we're gonna end the video right now today.
Thanks for joining, guys.
See ya.